Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar and today we will discuss some important questions of the chapter Carbon and its compounds. My dear students, our Carbon and its compounds chapter is going on, in which we have discussed about the carbon, its bonds, characteristics of carbon and covalent bonds. You can watch all the videos from my channel in different parts. In this part we will discuss how many first question is how many single and double bonds are present in these compounds. This is methane, carbon tetrachloride, and ethane. So here the question is how many single and double bond. My dear student, all these compounds are covalent bonded compound. Covalent bonded compounds means all compounds contains covalent bond. Suppose we are talking about the methane. Carbon is a tetravalent atom. Carbon is a tetravalent atom. कार्बन क्या होता है? एक टेट्रावेलेंट एटम होता है. मीन्स इट विल फॉर्म 4 bonds with 4 hydrogens. Here with the help of dot structure we will just see here. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron and each in valence electrons in carbon is 4, because carbon is the 6, C 2 and 4 electrons in the carbon, and it will form 4 covalent bonds. In all cases there is 1 electron sharing is going on with carbon and hydrogen electrons. So these all are formed covalent bonds, and a carbon also takes 4 electrons from all 4 hydrogens. So this type of bond in which all hydrogens are forming single bond with carbon. So here is 4 single bonds and another information regarding it, students. If there is single bond between 2 atoms, that bond is called sigma bond. If there is double bond, one is sigma, other is pi. If bond is triple, then 2 bonds are pi and 1 of sigma. So here is sigma bond, and sigma bond. So all 4 single bonds are sigma bonds. This is the first covalent compound. Second example in this is the CCl4. My dear student, you will do this. This is same as methane, but only difference, chlorine has the electronic configuration atomic number 17. Its configuration is 2, 8 and 7. So here in hydrogen we are showing just 1 electron, but in chlorine you will show 7 electrons in each case, and 8th electron will take from the carbon and form covalent bond between carbon and chlorine. So make yourself, if you have any doubt, just ask. Next question is C2H4. C2H4 is a alkene. How will you find alkene or methane was the alkane. So students, I have made a separate video on this topic. For hydrocarbon which has only single bond, we can find the formula of them with the help of general formula CnH2n plus 2. So here n is equal to number of carbons. Same as here for alkenes, this is CnH2n. So if formula is this, C2H2 plus 2 equals to C2H4, that indicates it is a alkene. This indicates it's a alkene. So bonds, alkene means alkenes are those which contains double bond, any double bond between carbon, double bond between carbon. So now we have 2 carbons are here and 4 hydrogens, means 2 carbons, carbon has 4 and 4 electrons of this carbon and 4 electrons of this carbon. Just see with the help of dot structure again. It has structure, dot structure like that. Now this hydrogen will take 1 electron from the carbon and occupies the electronic configuration of helium. Each hydrogen will take 1 electron from each carbon, and this carbon already contains 2 electrons itself, 2 from the hydrogen, 4 electrons itself and 2 from hydrogen, and also will take 2 electrons from the carbon, means it will share 2 electrons between 2 carbons. Same condition is applicable for here. Sorry, this one. So here electron sharing is 2 electrons, so that here is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Here is the 4 single bonds, 4 single bonds, and which is in between carbon and hydrogen, and one is double bond between carbon and carbon. If we are talking in terms of sigma and pi electrons, then it is a sigma bond, sigma, pi, sigma and sigma. So 5 bonds are sigma bonds, 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond present in the alkene. Its name is, C2 name is the ethene. In general language, this is the additional information for you student. General or commercial name of it is ethylene. It is used to ripening of raw fruits. Also it is called plant hormone. Ethylene is also called plant hormone. So these are some important facts about the ethene, and this question is complete here. Next question we will discuss in next segment. Thank you so much.